Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 10.2 question number 9. What is given in the question? xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact at C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. We have to prove angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. Now I am going to explain the statement first. So this is a circle. Two tangents are given. xy is a tangent and x dash y dash are parallel tangents. These are two parallel tangents parallel to each other. And one more tangent AB passes through the point of contact C. So what we have to prove? We want to prove that angle AOB is equals to 90 degree, or we can say we want to prove angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 90 degree. So I'm going to start my question with the theorem first. Firstly, I want to do the construction here. So my construction part is, in the construction, OA is given, OB is given in the book, in the figure, or you can say, but OC is not given, so I am going to join OC. Why I am doing this? Because as I know, OC is the radius and radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So tangent is, I am going to start my proof with the theorem. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius through point of contact. So we can say this angle x and this angle y. This is also the tangent and this is also the same. OP is the radius, xy is the tangent. So angle x, I am taking this angle as x and this angle as y. So angle x and y, x equals to angle y equals to 90 degree by this theorem. Now I want to prove angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 90 degrees. So angle 2 and angle 3 comes in these triangles OAC and this come in the triangle OBC. So how will I am going to prove this? Firstly, I am going to make these two triangles congruent, OPA and OAC. So I am going to start my proof part from this OPA in triangle OPA and triangle OCA. So you can see here OP is the radius of this circle, OC is the radius of this circle. So radius and radius are equal. OP is equals to OC radius. The length of the radius will be equal, radii, or you can say, because two radius we are using, so I will use the radii. Radii is the plural of radius. Radii of circle. And OA, OCA contains OA, OPA contains OA. So we can write OA equals to OA, that is common. After that, you can check that A is the external point. If A is the external point, AP is the tangent and AC is the tangent, then tangents from the external point always equal, that is PA is equals to AC. PA is equals to AC. Tangents from external point are always equal in length. So we can say that triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OCA. If these two triangles are congruent to each other, angle 1 must be equals to angle 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2 by CPCT. CPCT means congruent part of the congruent triangle are equal. Similarly, I will take these two triangles OQB and BOC. In the same manner, we will do all that parts, and we will make angle 3 equals to angle 4. There is no need to prove it. Simply write similarly angle 3 equals to angle 4. Now angle 1 equals to angle 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4, and it contains, this line contains 4 angles, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. If I'm adding, or you can check that POQ, what is POQ? POQ is the diameter. POQ is the diameter, and diameter is a straight line. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is a straight line angle. So what is the meaning of that? When we are adding all these angles, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, it will make equals to 180 degrees. So it will be equals to, I'm going to write it, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree by angles on a line. Angles on a straight line. In the previous parts, we have proved that angle 1 equals to angle 2 and angle 3 equals to angle 4. So angle 1, at the place of angle 1, I can write angle 2. Angle 2 plus angle 2, same angle 3. Angle 3 is equals to 180 degree, because in the previous part we proved that angle 1 equals to angle 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4. So it will be twice of angle 2 plus twice of angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. So we can take 2 common, and we are left with angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. Take 2 on the other side. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 by 2. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 90 degree. So I want to prove the same part. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 90 degree. So what is angle 2 plus angle 3? Angle, when you are adding these two angles, angle 2 plus angle 3, AOB consists of angle 2 and angle 3. So at last we can see that angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. This is a very important question. Several times in the CBSE exams, that question we have seen. So even in the CBSE sample papers, you can often see this question. So please do it very carefully. This is a very important question of this chapter. So thank you very much for watching my video. Wait for my next video for the further questions.